Today, our board looks a little bit different than it usually looks at the beginning of lessons. That's because we're not just talking about one letter. We're going to be talking about CVC words, or consonant, vowel, consonant words, and how we read them. Now, you'll notice that at the very bottom of my screen, there's a hand. That hand is a left hand, and that's because that's the left-hand side of this page. Now, when we read a word, we read from left to right. We're going to look at all the letters, but starting with the letter on the left-hand side. So let's look at the word on this page. I see the first letter on the left is the letter C. Then the next letter is the letter A, and the last letter is the letter T. I see 3 letters. Now, when we read those letters, we go from left to right and we start to blend them together by saying their sounds. K, a, t, k, a, t. Now, we've been practicing and we know that this word is the word cat. Cat. Now, if you look above this word, there is a cat. And I want you to notice how that cat's body is positioned. The body of the cat is over the C and the A. And the tail of the cat is over the T. That's because it's often helpful when we're blending to blend that first chunk of letters first, the C and the A, cat, cat, and then add on the T, cat, cat. And that is something that we actually call body-coda blending. It's a special way to blend words. Coda in Latin means tail. So I want you to imagine a cat sprawled out across your words, and the head and body of the cat are on the left side of the word, and the tail is at the end on the right side, and you can do your body-coda blending. Let's practice this with some more words. Let's start on the left-hand side of our board and look at this word. The first letter is P, then we have A, then T. Let's make their sounds P, A, T. Now let's blend those first 2 sounds that are right under the body of the cat. Pa, pa. And then let's tack on that tail at the end. Pat, pat, pat. We made the word pat with some body-coda blending. Here's another word for us to try. The letters are F, I, N. Let's blend the first 2 letters that are under the cat's body. F, I, fi. And let's add the last sound. N. Fin, fin, fin. We blended that word together and we got the word fin using our CVC blending technique. Can you believe it? We have already learned this many letters in our lessons together. I'm so proud of you. This is a lot of letters. Let's say their sounds together, starting from the left, moving over to the right in that top row, going back down to the left and moving over to the right. So we have a, s, t. Go back to the bottom row. P, f, I, n. Beautiful. Now let's say their names. A, M, S, T, P, F, I, and N. We've learned 8 letters together so far, and not just the letters. We've learned how to write them. We've learned their phonemes. We are really learning all about what makes these letters work in our language. Let's practice reading using that technique we were doing before. So watch me first. T, tip, tip. The word on this page is the word tip. Now let's do some reading together. Please go to the page on the left and there's a word in red with a star next to it. Let's read that word. In. Now go to the word beneath it. It has a clover next to it. The word is fin. Fin. The word is fin. Go to the next page. We have a little word in green with a diamond next to it. Let's read that together. Pin. Pin. Beautiful. The word is pin. Go to the word with the flower and let's read that. Nip. 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 And then go to the word with the heart at the bottom. Tin. Tin. We read all 5 words. Let's read them all, starting from the word with the star and ending with the word with the heart. In, fin, pin, nip, tin. Wonderful reading. We did some reading of our CVC words and we used some body-coda blending. That is pretty awesome. Let's keep going.